Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use blue color. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, neither F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F and use red color. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. It's neither numbers. The alphabets of numbers. First we draw 1. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids, neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10, 11. The numbers of 11 and 12. The numbers of 12. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.